This is a project that we started 3 years ago in order to promote Israeli design worldwide. I think that Tel Aviv Fashion Week is speaking in one language, and the language is fashion. This is an international language that can take us above all barriers that were existed before.
Israeli fashion designers have really good level, and it's worth paying attention to them.
We have a lot of things to show to the world. All the young designers can do amazing stuff.
This is the right place to be for us right now, because I think there's an energy that's coming from Israel and an energy that's coming from Tel Aviv that is perfect for us, and it really reflects the sort of love and passion that we have in the work we do, and we can feel that love and passion from the people here.
We're very happy to be here in Tel Aviv. See here a lot of international people. It's very exciting. I met a lot of people and I see how this fashion is taking place over here. And hope soon we will move it to Ramallah.